Hello watcher and subscriber. This tutorial you can see in the continuation of the last tutorial. In the last tutorial we had used function. So here in this here also we will go for the function, but in the last tutorial we use function without parameter, with user input value. Now here we will go one step ahead and we will do function with the showing list of values. So you are already aware about the list. So as we have seen, we create the list like that. So now our list elements are 1 2 3. So these are our the list value. So now our task is we have to show these values in the function. So straight away we will take the function. So our function name is suppose show value. So I'm writing show val, that is my function name. You can use any name. So inside it, now I just leave it with the colon, and here we have to do the code. Okay, so first I take the print statement list. So our task is show values from the list. So then after this, actually we have to call this function. So how we will call? Show, we will write the same name, and here actually we have to pass the list name. Our list name is L. So that's it. So what happened, this list value 1 2 3, so we are calling it. So here also we should pass the parameter. So I am taking here list1. So list1 means here as we are passing the value, so here we have to take one parameter. It will be operated as a list variable. So here we have the parameter and it is going to show the list of values. And then after that, for showing the values, actually we have to take the help of for loop. For I in list1. This statement is very important. So by using this iteration we are showing the values. So here all the values like 1 2 3, it will pass from that calling function to call. And for showing this value we have to take the help of for loop. And then here in the for loop again you have to take print function, and you have to show all the values. For that I am using I. So I is taking the value from the list and we are showing one by one. So remaining this line I will delete it. So this is our proper code. First we are taking the list with the values, and then we are declaring the function with the list parameter. We are showing the value with this, and here as values you have to pass this list variable. So this is the calling function and this should match with the function declaration. So this variable will be treated as a list variable, and we are showing the values and it will print the value by using I. So now we will check it out whether it is working or not. So show values from the list, it is perfectly working because we declare the three values 1 2 3 in the list and we are getting it. Show values from the list, so we are getting the values from the function. So in this way you can use list in the function as a parameter. So I hope dear student you understood this simple tutorial, and in the next tutorial also we will go for the function with one more option. So I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.